A digital vault is a secure, encrypted platform for storing, organizing, and sharing your family's most important documents. Everything from identification and financial records to tax forms, insurance policies, and more. Traditional safety deposit boxes once served as the go-to method for securing valuables. But physical boxes come with several limitations. They're accessible only during banking hours, they require you to visit a specific location, and you can't easily share digital copies of documents. Digital vaults serve the same purpose as traditional safety deposit boxes, but with far more flexibility. They enable remote access, easy sharing, and organized digital storage that fits modern family life. Trustworthy's Family Operating System goes further than other digital vaults by providing family-specific tools that help you structure, protect, and manage your information with ease. A digital vault offers several major advantages over a safety deposit box. Security. With encryption, tokenization, and compliance with privacy laws, your information is kept safe. Accessibility. You can access your documents anytime, anywhere from your phone or computer. Organization. Files are stored in structured, searchable folders, reducing clutter and confusion. Sharing. You can give specific individuals access to specific documents and nothing more. Backup. If originals are lost due to disaster, theft, or misplacement, digitized versions remain accessible. Trustworthy also adds powerful tools, mobile scanning, automated reminders, and expiration tracking. A digital vault is more than a storage platform. It's a safeguard for your family's future. Whether you're organizing your household, preparing for emergencies, or planning your legacy, keeping your essential information secure and accessible is one of the smartest steps you can take. Protect your family with Trustworthy's Digital Vault. You can get started for free in minutes.